In this video, I'll be showing you some really useful apps and websites that can give you free international numbers, be it UK, US, or any international number you can think of. I'll walk you through the steps to get your free UK and US temporary phone numbers. These apps are the best ones I've tried, and you can make the most out of them for things like one-time OTP verification, protecting your privacy online, signing up for multiple platforms without sharing your real number, and keeping your account secure. If you have ever wanted a free UK and US number, probably because you can't afford the cost of number subscriptions for your online surveys, OTP verifications business, or just to stay safe on the internet, this is the place for you. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Now, just for me to inform you, these numbers work on any survey platforms. You can use it to get verification as long as it is one-time verification. You are good to go. So let's get started. So for you to get your free UK number, so I'm going to be showing you first how to get it from the app. So you go to your Play Store. As you can see, I've just opened my Play Store. Then on the search bar, you type temp. Now there are already search results and options for you. So let's start with the first one. So when you click on this first one, you scroll down to look for the app. So this is the app temp number second phone number. So this one is showing the red icon here. So you click on this to open it up for me. I already have the app on my phone, but for you, you will need to download. So once you open, this is where you're going to find yourself. Now, you don't have an account, so you need to create an account. So we're going to create an account in just a few steps. You enter the email that you want to use to sign in with your email. I think it's safer that way. So you select the email that you want to use, and then you click on sign in. So once you click on sign in, it will tell you it looks like your email doesn't match an existing account. Please submit OTP to complete registration. So you go to your email, and then you get the OTP that they have sent to you. So you just enter the OTP here. So once you have entered the OTP, you click on verify. And with this, you're ready to create your account. So you enter your name. All right, enter your full name. So you create a password. So you confirm your password, and then you click on sign up. So create your account. Please enter your address in the field below. So your country is Nigeria, and you just enter your address. So for you to get the zip code of your city, it's simple. Just go to your Google. You go to your Google account, your Chrome browser rather, and then you type, what is the zip code of Maitama? Then you just enter your own city. I'm using Maitama here as my city. So the zip code of my city is this. I will just copy it and put it there. So it's that simple. So I click on submit. So you see your account is ready. Now, how do you get your free number? Before I answer that, let's talk about this opportunity because there's so much I can't share on YouTube, whether it's because of platform rules or because some skills need deeper hands-on explanations. Many of my videos got deleted, and that's why I created a Policy Point learning community for you, a place where I can share everything. When you join, you're not just getting another course, you're getting access to complete ethical hacking guides, the tools and techniques I wish someone had handed me when I was starting out. And here's the kicker. This is the stuff I don't teach on here. No watered down content, no clickbait, just raw, actionable knowledge. On top of that, you'll join an exclusive community on Discord. I pinned the link in the comments section below, but it's not for everyone. The link is only available for those who are serious about the journey. Back to the video, the first place you need to go is to click on public numbers. So once you click on public numbers, you're going to see options of numbers that are available that you can use for free. They have a list of many countries, but for us here, we are going to be focusing on the United Kingdom. So you click on the United Kingdom, and then you're going to be presented with the option to choose a number. So this app releases every single day. So as you can see, these are new numbers. So now you advise that you go with the most recent number. So these are public numbers, and you're not the only person using it. So you click on any number that you like. Of course, you have to watch that. So with that, cancel this. So this is your number here. And for you to copy it, you just click on this. You have copied your number. Then you go to any websites that you want to use it on, and then just paste the number. Once you paste the number, and you request for them to send code. So you come here and wait for your code. As you can see, this code was sent 18 minutes ago. So this one was sent from this platform 19 minutes ago. So people are using the number, and so you can, after picking a number, the next thing you want to do is add it to your favorite. So you can always have access to your number with ease. So let's assume this is the number that you have selected that you want to use to get your OTP. Now, to make this your favorite number, you click on this star icon that is close to the copy button. So once you click here, like this favorite number added successfully. Now, to access your favorite number, each time you want to use it, you don't need to start looking for it. All you have to do is come back to your profile, your homepage, the way it is here. This is your dashboard. Then you go to my favorite. This is my favorite. Once you open my favorite, you're going to see the number that we just made favorite. So you can either delete it if you don't want to, or you keep it. So you just open your number directly from your favorite list, and there you have it. So you can add at least 3 numbers as your favorite from temp number. and you can always delete and update to new numbers. I'm going to show you the second app. That one is a website. So with this, we are done with this. So let's leave here and then go back to our Chrome because this one is a website. So in case you try using a temp number, you couldn't get any number that you like. So you can as well make use of this one I'm going to show you. Let's proceed to the next website that I'm going to be introducing you to, where you can get your UK number. So follow me closely. Now here I've launched my browser. You can use Chrome, preferably, but I'm going to be using Firefox in this one. So you come here and then you go to your search bar and you type this website. So once you have typed it this way, you click on enter. So it opens up a page like this for you, asking you to consent to their privacy policy. So you just say consent. Now create a free temporary email address instantly. No registration inside the inbox. No copy. But we are here because we want a UK number. Not really an email, but this also offers you a temp email. Now, how to use everything is here for you. Receive SMS online, free temporary phone numbers for verification. Now, I think this serves the purpose of why we are here. So now we want to get a free number. So what do? Let's sign up first. Choose a country for your temporary numbers. Select a free number and use it online. Enter the number for SMS verification. View your messages after receiving SMS. Is that simple? So what next? First of all, let's try and see now, because this is going to be giving us a UK number. We must sign up. They are not going to allow us access to this number without signing up. Now let's try. So you select a number here after selecting the country that you want. Now it says, unfortunately, due to security concerns, France and UK virtual numbers are required to register or log in before accessing the content. We apologize for any inconvenience and appreciate your understanding. So because of this, we must sign up and create an account on this platform. I think that makes it even more beautiful. So you click on sign up, so you need to enter your name. So for me, I will just enter. You can use any name, so email address here. So you enter your email address, then you create your password. So you register, so you can decide to save your details if you like. So with this, we are logged in. So here we can now proceed to get our UK number. So you click on the United Kingdom. So once you click on the United Kingdom, you scroll down here. You're going to be seeing a list of numbers that were just recently added one day ago. So all these numbers are available for you to use. So whichever one you want, you just copy it and use them. So let's less practical lies and see if these numbers really work. So I'm going to be using this one. So I'm going to just copy it. So once I copy it, I've copied the number. Now I want to see if I can actually use it to receive OTP so you can refresh the page. So firstly, you need to click to open up the page or the number itself. So this is where the page of the number is, and someone just received a code 3 minutes ago. So this website is supported by ads, close to 20%. So what do? You just copy your number here. So here's my PayPal account, and I want to verify and try this number and see if it's going to work on my PayPal. So like I said, you have to ensure that you've copied your number, so select a country. Let me select the country. So I selected my country, and then I paste in my phone number, and then I click on add number. So now I've added a new number. So once you have copied your number, paste it on any website or on any platform that you want to verify your account on, and they will send you a code. You just come and copy your code and paste it, and your account is verified. So please, you are free to SMS me and our temp number to get free numbers for all your online OTP verification and all that. See you in the next video.